Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Slurpee inspired by 7-Eleven. So let's get started. To draw this cute Slurpee, let's first up I draw a soft curve across for the lip of our cup. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to go across. Let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and stop, and then from there I'm going to come out a slight angle on both sides. And then from there, just go ahead and thicken it up. So I'm just going to follow my top curve. There. Then now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw our cup. So I'm going to come in right here on both sides. And I'm just going to start on this side. I'm going to angle down. Let's see here. Not too tall because I don't have that much vertical space, so let's say about right here. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to try my best to match the same angle. And all right there. Now about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and just round this part off, this corner. And then just connect it at the bottom with a soft curve across. There, so we have our basic cup. Then from there, before I forget, I'm just gonna come in here and I'm just gonna draw these light lines going across to give this some texture. And as I come across, I'm going to change the angle a little bit. So it's just as if there's a it's radiating out. So this side's going to come this way and a little bit straighter towards the center. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw our dome right here for our lid. So I'm going to go up nice and high. Go up. So I'm just drawing this big curve towards the top. And let's say about right here, I'm going to stop because I want to give it an opening. So about right there, and then I'm going to bring the curve down just like the other side. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just curve it all the way down, and then you can put in this little curve if you like. There. Now that we have this dome in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw our Slurpee in here. So I'm going to come in here and just follow my line and go all the way. Follow under. Oh no! Need a little bit of space. Just a little bit so that we know this is in a clear container. There. Okay. To clean that up a little bit, got too close. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Hopefully I can do a better job down here. And same thing. Okay, there. So now that we have that, we're going to come to the top right here. And I thought it'd be really cute to have some Slurpee coming out, because every time you go to 7-Eleven, you have to put extra so that it's going to come out of this hole, right? So we're just going to come right here and just draw in this dollop of Slurpee. And then you put in a straw. So I'm just going to come right here and angle in a straw. Right there. And let's see here. Then from there, let's draw in some layers for our Slurpee so that we can put in different flavors. So I'm just going to go across here and there and just wiggle a line across. So let's say about right here. There. And then in the center layer, let's put in some eyes to bring it to life. So about right here, let's go ahead and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And we're going to come across about right here and do the same thing. There. So then from there, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, and then let's put in a curve right here above each eye. And let's see here, let's give it a big smile. So I'm going to come right here, draw a line, and then open it up. And just put in a little tongue right there. And maybe a curve right here. Okay, and let's see. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Slurpee inspired by 7-Eleven. And so then when you color it, just color into your favorite Slurpee flavors. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you loved this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.